just got back from the dump landfill. I just had to take a load of garbage. Yesterday I got home, actually I got home this morning at 12:30. So it's technically this morning, but it was, my day was yesterday. Started at 7 a.m., got home a little after midnight. Long day. Slept till about 10 o'clock this morning. It's not normal for me, but I think I had a little bit of sleep that because I'm not used to staying awake that long. I usually go to bed early. Anyways, let me show you what I got going on. So, I don't know if you can hear me or not. If not, I'll just voice over. First thing this morning, I'm going to probably blow off all of the pine needles off of the driveway, make it look better, clean it up with some. Get the probably the hard rake that I got and the pitchfork and my lawnmower and a little trailer, and drag it over to where I'm gonna, I guess, burn it at. I have nowhere else to put it. Probably gonna wash the truck up some. And probably about a week ago, my kids were out here playing and decided that they wanted to lay on the hood. So the hood's got a big dent in it now. So I'm gonna try and pop that out. And yeah, let's see what we got going on. Okay, so found out can't use my phone for a camera anymore. So I need to go and get a camera whenever I get the money to do that. Hopefully it'll be soon. It said something about it's too hot, so you can't use the camera anymore. Wait till the phone cools down, blah blah blah. Okay, I'll just go get me a camera that's meant for, you know, outdoors. Anyways, I got the driveway blown off. You've seen that. But after that, I swept up pine needles in the piles, and now I am going to move the mower up, start piling it all on the trailer. Some of you may be wondering why I don't have the deck on my mower. Well, about 2 weeks ago, I was mowing the lawn with it, and I started mowing other places that probably shouldn't have been mowed with a mower. Probably more like a bush hog kind of thing. Well, I didn't really care because the blades on the mower were crap anyways, and I knew that I needed more, but I ended up hitting something and it bent the blade probably about 3 inches from the tip all the way straight down, completely 90-degree angle, and it was going below the deck. And so I was like, you know what, I'll just pull the whole deck off. I've got to change the blades, figure out what's going on, stuff like that. And so I figured, you know what, I'll just pull it off. And unfortunately I haven't had the money for a new blade, so I haven't got the mower deck put back on yet. So Whenever that happens, you'll see it on there. This is the dent in the hood right here. It's really annoying. So I'm gonna see if I can get that out. Well, that was easy. One little whack of the hammer on a piece of wood and it is out. Feels pretty smooth now too. That was nice. Very nice. Cannot see it no more. I mean, you can see where it was. The dirt spot right here, but it's smooth. That's one of them new spill everywhere cans. Luckily I didn't spill it. Okay guys, so what you just saw was me taking down a tree. I didn't really have plans on doing that today. As you could probably hear, it's about to rain. Glad I got it done real quick. Probably got that thing done, cut down, cut up, and hauled off in probably about 20 minutes. It didn't take me too long, but you know, if I had a tractor and a grapple, that'd be great, but I don't yet. The tree was a hazard to me because, as I mentioned in the last video, I'm a truck driver, and I parked the truck right here in the driveway, and the tree was right there. It was a dead tree, and of course here in Florida we've got hurricanes, and it's hurricane season, which brings me up to another topic that I'll talk about in here in just a second. But the tree was dead, and in a strong storm it would come down and probably hurt the truck, so I didn't want that to happen. And last night I got home at about 12:30 and decided to park out by the road, so it gave me a good opportunity to cut that tree down and get it all cut up and hauled off. Last weekend we were supposed to have a tropical storm hit Florida here, and it kind of just whizzed right by us, and it got me thinking that, you know, I need to cut that tree down, so I went ahead and cut that tree down. Anyways, if you like this video, hit the like button, click subscribe, and comment down below.